Hello and welcome to Superfone. My name is Tarun, and in this video, I will be walking you through the steps to get onboarded on Superfone after you have purchased a plan. Let's get started. Please note, if you have taken our all-in-one CRM plan, the onboarding steps may slightly vary from the steps required for a business phone plan. I will walk you through both the steps, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Before we begin, here's an important note. In some cases, onboarding may take up to a day after you have made the payment. But don't worry, your subscription will only start from the day your number is verified, activated, and ready to use. So you won't lose any time from your plan. Let's start with the onboarding steps for our business phone plan first. Once you've purchased your number, you will have to complete your e-KYC, business verification, and anti-spam declaration, which can be done through the application itself and is very simple. e-KYC must be completed by the business owner themselves. This step is mandatory. Please note, for e-KYC, it is necessary for you to have a DigiLocker account. So if you don't have one, please create it right away. To create a DigiLocker account, go to the link mentioned below or download the DigiLocker app. Click on sign up, then enter your mobile number linked to your Aadhaar. Then enter the received OTP to verify your number. Set a username and password. To link your Aadhaar, enter your Aadhaar number. Enter OTP to authenticate and link your Aadhaar. Once this is done, your DigiLocker account is ready. To proceed with your e-KYC on Superfone, click on this button. You will be asked to sign up using your Aadhaar number, after which you will receive an OTP to your Aadhaar linked mobile number for verification. Once verified, you will need to click here to take a selfie. This is to verify your identity. Don't worry, this process is 100% secure and approved by the Government of India for digital identity verification. After you have completed your e-KYC, the next step is to complete your business verification. To proceed, click on Business Verification and enter your GST number. GST verification is normally completed within 3 minutes. If you don't have a GST number, click on Verify with other documents. Select your business entity type and you will be able to view all the accepted documents for your business category. Then, tap on Click to Verify. Our team will connect with you within 24 hours to help you complete the business verification faster. Once you have uploaded your documents, you will need to sign the anti-spam and misuse declaration. This declaration outlines the rules and guidelines mandated by both Superfone and Department of Telecommunication. Please read the document carefully before signing. Your plan will be activated only after the declaration is signed. To sign the declaration, just click on the anti-spam and misuse declaration and you will be presented with the document. Click here to put your signature in like this, then click on Submit your signature to finish the process. After you complete these 3 mandatory steps, namely e-KYC, business verification, and declaration against spam and misuse, your plan gets activated. And you're all set to start using Superfone. Please note, after you have completed your payment, our onboarding team also reaches out to you within 24 hours to guide you through the onboarding process and assist you with any questions. If you have opted for or want WhatsApp business setup or Truecaller setup, our onboarding team will help you pick a convenient time and guide you through the setup process. Now this will complete your setup. After this, you will be invited to a live team training session where you can ask any questions and get a detailed walkthrough of how to use Superfone effectively. It's absolutely normal to not remember everything from this training. So anytime you're stuck, just click on this help button right here. It will open a chat with our support team. Just tell them what you need and they will guide you through it. Now, if you have purchased the all-in-one CRM plan, the steps remain same until the signing of anti-spam and misuse declaration. Once that is done, our onboarding team will connect with you within 24 to 48 hours to help you set up your WhatsApp Business API and CRM. Please make sure you have these details ready for setting up a WhatsApp Business API. Number 1. Facebook login access. Your Facebook page must be active and at least 3 months old. Number 2. Visa or MasterCard. Meta uses this to charge for marketing, utility, and authentication messages. This could be debit card or credit card. Number 3. Your website link. It should be HTTPS secured so that there is no threat of sensitive information being leaked to the third parties. Number 4. GST number. Number 5. Privacy policy of your company mentioned on your website. Number 6. Domain email ID. This should match your website. Something like tarun@superfone.in and no personal mails like tarun@gmail.com. Number 7. MSME certificate. For CRM integrations, please visit this section on our website to see the list of supported platforms. You will find the link in the description. If you have these details ready, the setup will be quick and easy. So make sure you keep them handy during your setup with our onboarding team. Once your account setup is complete, you will be invited to a team training session to help you get the most out of Superfone. Remember, if you need assistance with anything, just simply click on this help button right here. It will open a chat with our support team. Just tell them what you need and they will guide you through it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about Superfone, drop them in the comments below and we'll definitely try and respond to them. For more tutorial and tips on growing your business with Superfone, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Wishing you success. Happy business building.